Yeah, I'm a Missy Sheila na natoka Mtoto Central. Then miki chenye nitaka encourage tu vijana like wanajita Gen Z. Huku hivi kwetu we are peaceful. Then maandamano, yes, during the time of maandamano hakukuwa na nini of mavurugano, tunavurugana na police. Then ilikuwa maandamano ya amani because we know what we were fighting for. Si ati hii about tunaharibia watu biashara zao, tunaharibia watu kazi zao, haikuwa. So what I just want to encourage youth, please, si ni watu bado tunataka kuishi, na sasa si tunataka viongozi wenye wanatulinda wakuwe wazuri, na tunataka more, yani tuna need more. So kitu inafaa tufanye, tukue na respect, tukue na nini, tukani maandamano, tufaitie what is right, si to fight na business za watu.